Welcome to Q&A Wire.
In this problem, we have a block with a mass of 2 kilograms that is pushed against the wall with a force of 40 newtons. Another horizontal force is applied on the block parallel to the wall with a magnitude of 15 newtons. Now, the problem asks us, given this applied force, will the block move? And if yes, in what direction? To solve this problem, we will need to apply Newton's law of motion. First, we have to analyze the forces that will cause the block to move. And these are first, the applied horizontal force, and the weight of the block. We know that weight is the product of mass in the acceleration due to gravity. So let's draw the graph of these forces. We have here the horizontal applied force, let's denote as F sub x, and the weight of the block. Let's denote as F sub y. And this is the resultant driving force. Let's denote as F. The block will move if the resultant driving force is greater than the resisting force of the wall. And the resisting force of the wall is the friction force exerted by the wall on the block. So to solve this problem, we just have to find the magnitude of the resultant driving force and the friction force. Let's start with the resultant driving force. From Pythagorean theorem, we can see that F is equals to square root of F sub x squared plus F sub y squared. Then F is equals to square root of the horizontal force squared plus the square root of the weight, which is mass multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity, which is 10 meters per second squared. And the square of the weight. Solving, then the driving force is equals to 25 newtons. Now for the friction force, the formula for friction force is the product of coefficient of friction in the normal force on the wall. From third law of motion that states that in every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, the normal force on the wall is the same magnitude with the force applied on the block to push it against the wall, which is the 40 newtons force. Then, friction force is just equals to the coefficient given, which is 0.5 multiplied by the force due to the pushing against the wall, which is the 40 newtons. As such, the friction force exerted by the wall on the block is 20 newtons. And as you can see, the driving force is greater than the friction force. Therefore, the block will move. Now we know that the block will move. In what direction is this resultant driving force? Let's go back again to the graph. The direction of the resultant driving force that it makes with the horizontal is this one. Again, applying trigonometry, then we know that tangent theta is equals to ratio of the f sub y over f sub x. Isolating the angle because that is the direction that we need. Then tangent is equals, theta is equals to tangent inverse of this quantity. Now let's solve for this value. Then the direction is tangent inverse of 20 newtons over 15 newtons. And the answer is 53 degrees with horizontal.